Hi everyone, and welcome to Poetic Art, where we paint, write and express. Today we're diving into our beautiful painting kit, perfect for kids, beginners or anyone looking for a relaxing creative session. Today we're painting something bold and beautiful, a bright red glowing tree. It's one of my favorite pieces because it's simple, relaxing and really eye-catching once it's done. So let's get started. Step 1. Materials needed. We're going to need blue paint, white paint, green paint, yellow or gold paint, red paint, a medium flat brush, a thin pointy brush, and a small sponge. I'm using an 8 by 8 inch canvas, but you can use any size you like. Make sure you also have a cup of water and a piece of paper towel. Step 2. Paint the background. Let's begin by creating our sky and snowy ground. Dip your sponge into the blue paint and spread it across the top 3/4 of your canvas. Blend it smoothly so you get a nice even night sky. If you want it darker, mix a tiny bit of black into the blue and blend it in. Now dip your sponge over to the clean side and dip it into the white paint and fill the bottom quarter of your canvas. This will be our snow. Gently blend where the blue and white meet so the colors flow softly into each other. When you're happy with your background, set it aside to dry for about 15 minutes. Step 3. Paint the tree and shadows. Now we're ready to paint our Christmas tree. Start by using your flat brush to paint a thin green line from the top center of your canvas, straight down towards the snowy ground. This will guide the shape of your tree. Next, begin filling the tree using dabbing motions with your flat brush. Dab the green paint in a triangle shape, working from the top all the way down. These dabs will make the tree look full, fluffy, and alive. Now, before we move on, let's add a little depth. Dip your brush lightly into black paint. Make sure your brush is nice and dry, and add small shadow dabs just above the snowy ground where the tree stands and gently in between the bottom layer of the green branches. Make sure the shadows stay soft. We don't want too much black, just enough to make the tree look three-dimensional. Mix a little yellow into your green to make a lighter green. On the left side of the tree, dab this light green from top to bottom. This shows where the light is shining. Step 4. Add the star and snow on the tree. Use your thin pointy brush and white paint to add the star on top of the tree. Then with the flat brush and white paint, add small dabs of snow on some of the branches and a little on top of the tree, as if the snow has gently settled there. Step 5. Now let's decorate our tree with the lights and baubles. Use your pointy brush to paint small round baubles in different colors all over the tree. You can use red, yellow, or white in this case. Then using the same brush, paint soft curved lines from one side of the tree to the other. These are your string lights hanging across the branches. And now the final touch, the falling snow. Clean your flat brush really well, then dip it into the white paint. Hold it above the blue sky and gently flick the bristles so tiny white dots land across the sky. Keep flicking it until it looks like snow is falling softly all around your Christmas tree. And that's it. Your Christmas tree painting is complete, full of light, color, and snow. Thanks for painting with Poetic Art, where we paint, write, and express. Don't forget to share your masterpiece and tag us. We also have a monthly paint and create subscription kit with different themes, including sunset, blue sunset, moonlight evening, house with lights, and my personal favorite, floating bubbles, and many more to come. You can contact me at nolo@poeticart.org for more details. Let's create together. Poetic Art. Paint it again and again.